Want to become a job-ready financial analyst, even without prior experience? Forget scattered YouTube videos and outdated theory. Start with this structured program built by Dheeraj Vaidya, who's trained over 100,000 plus learners worldwide. Introducing the Financial Analyst Certification Course Bundle. This all-in-one program takes you from zero to analyst. Here's what you'll learn inside the bundle. How to use Excel like a real analyst. Master basic to advanced accounting principles. Perform ratio analysis to assess business performance. Build full financial models from scratch. Learn valuation techniques like DCF and trading comparables. Construct mergers and acquisitions models used in real deals. And so much more. The entire program is 100% online and fully self-paced. You can learn at your convenience, anytime, anywhere. And when you finish, you'll receive 9 individual certificates, one for each course in the bundle. Learners around the world love this program for its real-world application, expert instruction, and career impact. If you're still deciding, you can explore verified learner reviews and watch preview lessons directly on this page. If you're serious about building a career in finance, this is your chance to start strong. Enroll now in this program and start your transformation today.